Hello, welcome to question 10, WASSCE 2025 Further Mathematics for Ghanaian Students, Objective Text question. We have to find the coefficient of the third term in the binomial expansion of 2x minus 3 all raised to the power 6 in the descending powers of what? X. So if we can recall, if we are looking for a number of 10, which is r plus 1 is going to be the third word term, right? So if that's the case, 3 is here. This is going to be r plus 1 equals to 2. The r equals to what? Equals to 3. This becomes 3 minus 1. R equals to what? 2. This r is found on the combination expansion formula, which is n combination what? R, where the R is the number of expansions we are having in this case. Now we can also recall, let me ignore this for a while. I can have x plus any number, let me say a, okay, raised to the power n. How do we expand that? We can recall that to be n combination what? 0, the first term, then x, then we have what? A, multiplying. Now this, we subtract 0 from the top, n minus 0, that will still be n, and this becomes what? 0. It carries a number here. The second term becomes n combination 1. We are beginning with 1. Then we have our x. We subtract this from there, n minus 1. Then a. Pick this one, 1. The third one is going to be n combination what? 2. X, n minus 2, a what? I'll write it. A power what? 2. You see that it continues if we want to get to the final n. But this is the first term, second term, and the third term. You can see the 2 here. That is the one we are finding to be r equals what? 2 here. So if I'm going to expand this for the third term that I am looking for, this very third term, what do? I just go ahead and expand. So I only see third term is going to be picking this one being 2. It means I am putting 2 here directly. The way you are seeing what we are having here, that make the n from where am I? This 2x minus 3 power 6. So this is the 6. I have combination 2. Then my x is the first 2 term here, 2x. So as we pick this, remember what we have here, n minus 2. So 6 minus 2 give you 4. Next is multiply by minus 3. This is coming there as what? 2. So that in all cases, this plus this will give you the 6 we have there. So what do? Let's put that in our calculator and find 6 combination 4. 6 combination 4, that will give you 15. Then this is going to be 2 exponent 4. That will be 16, right? 16x raised to the power 4. This is going to be times 9, because negative 3 times negative 3 will give you what? 9. So now let's multiply 15 by 16 by 9 and see. That will give you 2160 x exponent what? 4. Is to find the coefficient. So the coefficient is going to be 1 positive value, right? Which is 2160 as the option. We can get the full tutorial on this topic in the playlist on YouTube. Taxonomy Online Mathematics. Go to the playlist Binomial Expansion. All the aspect, this aspect, binomial expansion aspect, and also the use of Pascal triangle. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.